See this creature with her curbstone English? I could pass her off as a Queen of Sheba.
Yeah, what's that you say?
Winner of 8 Academy Awards, including Best Picture, My Fair Lady. Hailed as one of the best musicals of all time.
How do you do?
How do you do?
Once again on the big screen for a limited engagement. And worth celebrating with the entire family. Meticulously restored for its 50th anniversary, it's now even more loverly than ever.
Cheerio, Eliza.
I'll make a duchess of this draggle-tailed gutter snipe.
Not me.
The rain in Spain stays mainly in the plain.
I think she's got it.
I could have done.
Starring the magnificent Audrey Hepburn.
I could have done.
And Best Actor Oscar winner Rex Harrison. My Fair Lady. Strictly limited engagement starts July 21st. For participating cinemas and tickets, head to the website.